Welcome back to Crazy Dave's Crew. I'm Laura.
I'm Shelby.
And we're going to open up an advent calendar. What kind of advent calendar, Shelby?
A jewelry one.
A jewelry one. Well, let's see.
Having trouble there?
Yeah, they've got it. There we go. She and I talked, and we decided on this one. And if I remember correctly, it's supposed to be a charm bracelet, or charm bracelets. And we have a user manual. The Advent Calendar Fashion Jewelry, please read before using. It's just one page. Sure looks like it's put, there it is. Okay. Alright, necklace instructions. 24 secret gifts can create a surprise every day. And then bracelet instructions. Here, Rudolph.
Straightforward.
There you go, Rudolph. You hang on to that. And why don't you start us?
On day one.
Day 1, December 1st. Oh, we start off with the bracelet.
With a charm.
Oh, with the spacer bead. All right. All right, so we've got our first piece. We have a bracelet and a spacer bead. Oh, that's pretty.
Yeah.
All right. And I get it now. The instructions showing you how to take it apart so you can slide them on. Well, how about that? So let's just put that right there. And that right there. Well, that was fun. I think it'll be more fun once we get some more of the charms.
Maybe better.
Yeah. Well, I guess we will see you tomorrow on day 2, December 2nd, 2021. 23 more days to go.
Yay.
Yay. So I wonder, do you think we'll both have a bracelet out of this?
Probably not. But we'll have one of us will have a bracelet and one of us will have a necklace at least.
There you go. So we can be festive.
I don't.
I love doing that to her. Oh. Well, we hope you've enjoyed our first day. Nothing real, crazy going on, but it'll be fun. We'll have a link down in the description for this, and you can also find this and some other advent calendars in our Amazon shop. Be sure to like, subscribe, make a comment if you wish, but be kind. Okay, be kind. You don't want to hurt her feelings. Anyway.
Bye.
We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.